There are a lot of them. That one's probably about to go in.
Also going in.
Wow.
Did you have it on there?
Yeah.
So now you prove that it's their houses.
Oh.
Wow.
The proof.
That's
That is
awesome.
cool. The proof is in the pudding. Is it the proof is in the pudding?
Birds live in these holes on the side of the shore.
What's that saying, Uncle? The taste is in the pudding.
Proof is in the pudding.
Proof is in the pudding.
Just like Bill Cosby said.
Just like,
I'm just joking.
man, I can't wait till I eat. Oh,
Chocolate pudding. Whoop.
I'll be there from 7 until 10.
Eating?
Yep.
Well, we're gonna eat a lot of food.
That was the thing. That was a nice bit.
Ooh, I see that one. I see that beautiful pink bird.
It's green.
I just want people to listen to me.
What people?
And think, oh, wait a bit, wait a bit.
That's the little one. That's the little one. Yeah. The white planted are the ones that were planted this time. Those are the white planted. No, okay, no, that's
Ooh. It did a double back tailspin.
Somebody's gonna jump out.
Don't know it either.
You better not get stuck over here.
Did she just say she's going over there? There's a lion up there.
Yeah, let her go. Say we saw somebody get out.
And she was devoured by the lion on the seashore.
She better not get out.
Oh, that old lady can't climb.
And complain that we cannot do something for everybody that's not a bird fly.
That old lady can't climb. Oh shoot, it's going on the water. Almost. Almost. It's just flying over. Oh, it went in the water, got wet. That's awesome.
there it is.
We're not waiting for her. Leave her.
Then go down there.
Put her over there. Leave her over there. What are these footprints?
Yapal. Yapal. Agua na yan.
Hmm?
I'm gonna complain and say this is not a bird. These old ladies are tired.
Those are the sparrows.
Where's the sparrows?
We need a guide up here or something.
No, he's right there. He's right there. You can't see him?
Well, you're
Just
not talking
drop
to
it.
us.
Drop it on his head.
I got 3 people on me. Please come back up here.
Yeah, isn't that 2 people? Why don't you be up here?
Yep, go down. And then I'll get it right.
Taking my shoes off.
Andre. 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 Stop it. You trying to... Why don't you be sus with those things?
I don't want people to be fast.
No, why don't you? You had them on before and you took them off.
You know socks with this. These shoes look even nicer when you don't have socks.
I know they do.
Especially with this kind of outfit. If I had dress pants on, dress socks.
Like the way the bird look.
Is that a cockatoo?
Look at me with the couples.
That's fantastic. Oh shoot, yeah, there's couples up here. Where'd you go? She felt like a 3rd wheel on a 6-wheel wagon.
No, looking outside.
Oh, the little baby. What?
What?
Look at the sky.
It's a beautiful bird. Yeah.
Look how blue the sky is.
Look it, it's just all blue.
Have you seen a blue sky like that? That's what I miss. Look at it, it's rich. It's
I know,
like-
we can get that. It's very few days, but we can get that.
Nah, I don't want a few days. That's not good. That does not cut.
So what do you propose?
We move.
To,
Damn, Sam.
it's the same thing.
It's better than Boston.
You have to go to
That
the
much.
Midwest.
I know that.
Chicago. South of Chicago.
Apply to schools in the south.
I'm gonna go Missouri. Maybe Missouri can make
No,
skin.
there's no water over there. Nope.
I'm not leaving Boston.
You know I'm gonna do what?
I'm not saying I'm not leaving. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna apply to George Washington,
And Missouri.
Emory,
We're not moving to Missouri. I don't know if I can do that. I don't want to go to Missouri. I just couldn't see myself there. Missouri. I just can't see myself as a Missourian.
Can't see myself in Boston.
But you already are a Bostonian.
No, I'm just feel like default.
You're not guest. You're not a guest. You're Bostonian.
No, I'm not just
You're at home.
It's fine.
You're at home.
Right.
You're at home.
I don't really have a home.